Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Dave in the Kitchen, and today I'm going to show you how I made this classic, oh my god, it is clustered apple cobbler. Oh my god, this is stuff. Okay, you want to cut up about 7 or 8 apples right here. You want to squeeze a whole lemon, get a lemon juice in there, it's real good. Put 3 tablespoons of sugar in this, about half a tablespoon of cinnamon, 1 teaspoon of cornstarch. Then you want to kind of get this to stir around real good until it all combines together with the lemon juice and everything. And that's what you're looking for right there. We're going to put this into the skillet. There we go. Let's put this right over here into the skillet. Let this cook for a while. Cup of all-purpose flour, 1 cup. Stick of real fine cut frozen butter. You need 2/3 cups of brown sugar. A cup of sugar. A tablespoon of cinnamon. Butter. And we just want to get everything real combined together. Okay, we'll come back in a few minutes. And the texture we're looking for a real crumbly dough-like texture. Anyways, we're gonna come over here to this pot with this. It's been roasting for a while, and we're just gonna put all this on top of this. Over to 350. The timer to about 45. I'll put it on 45 here. And then after 45 we'll come back and take a look at it. Alright, it smells so good. We're gonna let this cool down before we even attempt to try to take a bite of that, but look how beautiful that is. The golden brown, that crispy on the outer side. Oh my god, this is going to be delicious. It smells good. Oh, it smells delicious. Anyway, we'll come back in a few minutes, let this cool. Okay, it's cooled down enough to take a taste of this. I'm going to take a bite of this. See what this has turned out to be. That is beautiful. Oh, that's hot. Oh my god, it's hot. It looks good. Hot. Oh my god. Oh, that's good. That is delicious. Very good. Anyways, I appreciate you for watching. Thank you for watching. And if you'd like my videos, subscribe. And if you do subscribe, hit that bell next to it so you get all the notification videos, updates, and everything. And y'all have a wonderful day. And see you next time.